we're going to show you the Ergobaby Embrace. This is a great carrier for those newborn days through early babyhood. It's super cozy. It's going to feel like your favorite pair of yoga pants. The fabric is stretchy yet supportive, and it has a slightly different application on putting it on. So we're going to show you how to do that with a baby that's 3 months old. So when placing the carrier on with a newborn, this baby's going to be 3 months old, but they're still going to use that newborn setting. The waistband here, you'd put it on like an apron, but you're going to flip it once, and you're just going to place it around your waist. You're going to go just below like your bra line, so it's going to be at a higher portion of your waist than, let's say, with an older baby, because you want them nice and high. Just going to tighten, and now I'm going to take the baby, who is sleeping already, and we're just going to get him nicely placed in the carrier. The carrier is going to go up and over my shoulder on one side, over my shoulder on the other, and I'm going to reach in back, and I'm just going to place the straps in an X over my back. So sweet. And as you can see, baby Brennan here is 3 months old and is just on that tail end of moving out of that newborn setting. So the next position we're going to show you is going to be in that next phase. So once baby hits about 3 months old, 23 inches, you'll see where the carrier will expand to fit them even longer. This carrier can be used from 7 to 25 pounds. You'll notice that baby's in a nice M position, and to get out of the carrier, all you do is you unclip on one side and on the other, and place baby on a flat surface or with another caregiver. As we mentioned, baby Brennan is 3 months old and is right at that point where he can fit on the newborn setting, but he also might just be big enough where he can be in the next setting. So instead of flipping the waistband, we're going to place the carrier on our waist apron style, which means this tag goes flat up against our waist. And we come around and back, and we clip. Now we're going to take baby again. We're going to grab the carrier with one hand, always having one hand on baby, and flip the straps up and over our shoulders. And again, we're going to crisscross the straps in the back and clip to tighten. Now I'm just going to make some slight little adjustments here. The first thing is I'm going to flip these straps just so they're cupping my shoulders just a little bit. And Brennan here is just a little too small for the carrier in this position. You can see that his head is too covered, so we want to go back to that newborn positioning so that baby's airways are always clear and it fits both of us better. So I'm just going to unclip, and we're going to wait probably a week or maybe a day, because babies grow really quickly, till baby is old enough and big enough to fit in the carrier in that position. But by being able to adjust the carrier, you're going to be able to get more use out of it. And then as baby grows and becomes more curious, you can also do the world-facing position, which is baby facing out. Brennan is nowhere near big enough for that position yet, but soon enough, he might be curious about the world and want to try it.